How to log into the Outlook app Student Email. Step 1. Open Play Store on your Android phone or App Store if you are using an iPhone. Step 2. Search for Outlook Mail and tap Install. Step 3. After the installation is completed, open the app. Step 4. Tap on Add Account and enter the student email ID provided by the class teacher. Note, all student email IDs follow this format. First name plus last name plus dot plus gr no plus st Anthony's. Example: john.py1 to 34 at st Anthony's edu.org.in. Step 5. After entering the email ID, tap Continue. Enter the password provided by the class teacher, then tap Next. Step 6. Tap on Set up a different way to sign in and then tap on Phone. Step 7. Select the country code India, +91. Enter your mobile number and tap Next. Step 8. You will receive a 6-digit OTP on your phone. Enter the OTP and tap Next. Step 9. Important: reset your password on the next page. You must create a new password. First box, enter the same password given by the teacher. Second box, enter your own new password. Use a strong password and do not share it with anyone. Third box, enter the same new password again to confirm. Password rules: must include special characters like @ $, $_. Must be 8 or more characters. Step 10. Tap Sign In. On the next screen, tap Maybe Later. Tap Turn On. Tap Allow when the pop-up appears. Congratulations! You have successfully logged in using your student email ID.